Imagine this. 3 years ago, you needed to know Python, HTML, JavaScript, maybe a backend language just to build a basic application. Now, you can build the same thing by just wiping with AI. Welcome to the world of vibe coding. But is it different from generative AI or just a trending term? So, first understand what is generative AI. Generative AI is the magic behind tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, DALL-E, and Bard. It's trained on mountains of data and it can generate things like code, poems, images, essays, you name it. You give a prompt and it creates based on the patterns it has learned. Example, write a Python function to check if the number is prime. And here you go. A clean working code is available. Now understand what is vibe coding. Now here's where vibe coding changes the game. You are not just giving one prompt, you are building the relationship with AI. It's like pairing up with a genius assistant who understands your intent and helps you co create software. Let me give you a live example. Let's build a to do list app. Step 1, I'll write make a simple to do list in Python. Next, I would say add due dates and save to file. Now, I want it to give it a GUI using PK Enter. And lastly, I want to make it sort tasks on priority. You are not writing code line by line. You are designing with language. That's vibe coding. Let's see the key differences between generative AI and vibe coding. Let's understand the role of generative AI. It is here to generate content. Whereas when I talk about vibe coding, it is here to creative workflow. The tools which we can use in generative AI are similar to vibe coding like ChatGPT and Copilot, but in vibe coding, we need intent as well. Let me talk about the style. So in generative AI, we provide the prompt and we receive the output. Whereas in vibe coding, we do a conversation and receive the product. In generative AI, the product is one-time answer, while in vibe coding, it's iterative building. Generative AI needs moderate amount of coding skills, whereas if you are doing vibe coding, you don't need to have as such any coding skills. Logic needs to be greater than the syntax. Now let's see where it shines and where it fails. So first, why the vibe coding is awesome. Fast prototyping for apps, bots, websites. Great for students who want to learn by doing. And lowers the barrier for known coders. Now let's see where we have to be careful. AI can give incorrect logic, so you still need to debug. You need to understand what the code does. And lastly, we can't just copy paste, we have to co-create. Now it's your turn. Try building something simple using vibe coding. Just describe it to the ChatGPT or Copilot, tweak the results and build. No manual typing, no syntax stress, just your creativity and your vibe. Drop your vibe coded project ideas in the comments or share your results with hashtag vibe coding challenge. And don't forget to subscribe to Aadhaar Shila coding classes for more tutorials. See you soon.